Okay, we're almost got this thing completed. This was a project I started a couple days ago. What we have here is it's a Craftsman. What I've done is I've taken everything apart, every nut, screw, bolt, sandblasted it, cleaned it, painted it, buffed it. So these were pretty rusty. We got these all clean. This wouldn't even roll before, really. So we got new rollers on there. We took all the stuff in here. This was all greasy and gunky, and the bearings really wouldn't turn. We cleaned the bearings. Did a mild repair on this piece. It was cracked, so I had to use ABS cement on the back side, and I used it on the front side, and that stops it from cracking anymore, and this will be fine just for my home use. Repainted everything, sandblasted it, taped off the Sears Craftsman. The upper piece is getting done right now. It couldn't be polished, and it just looks so rough, so it'll be painted a white, and then we're going to get the decals for Craftsman and put them back on there. All the cord was fine. Redid all this in here. The motor was taken, sandblasted completely, cleaned out on the inside. The blade is the original blade. It's I really don't think it was ever used. Maybe once or twice. It's sharp as can be, and this is an expensive blade. So I just took it and sandblasted it, and we're ready to go with that. What else? Did the bottom part here. We're getting ready to put the wood on. Cleaned out the bearings on the inside here. All this has been replaced, or repaired I should say. Cranks nicely up and down. It's a heck of a lot harder to go up than it is down, but it goes both ways now. And redid the top. All the inside's been cleaned out. We're waiting to put the front piece on here. It's been all repainted, redone, and that's about where we're at with this point with the project. But everything's been completely overhauled on this, and it really ought to work pretty well when we're done. I'm kind of excited about trying it out. None of this would turn, none of it was operational. Now you just pull up on this gently, the whole saw turns, you can lock it in place. Everything is functional now. You can do cross cuts, just loosen this a little bit, pull. I haven't even tried this yet. Let me lock this in place. There we go. Very easily too. Just pull this. I'll show you how easy this goes. It just pops right back in place. So everything is operational. It's all been completely cleaned, repainted. This originally I didn't even know pulled out until I started looking at the original owner's manual that I printed out, and for this to tilt, I thought it was one solid piece. It really did look like it, and it was rusted in place. So I got that working again. Every nut, bolt, everything's been redone. So, and what I like is it's operational. I was reading a book on restoration work, and they said don't even bother if the item's not going to be able to be used again. You know, either you want it to sit on a shelf for looks and it can't be used. This is usable. This will be in my shop for good, and I'm really excited to have it. We're getting ready to put the wood on now, and that's my next project.